Okay. We don't need to zoom this any longer. So welcome everyone, and what I'm trying to do here is that I just want to show you guys how we determine entries and exit. Okay, I think this is good for all those newbies traders. Okay, now I have drawn the diagram on the chart. Okay, and let me explain it. Arrow number one here is telling us that arrow number one, we pick a trade. Okay, we pick entries here in this arrow number one. Okay, and this arrow number one is always a move towards the trend. Okay, it moves with the trend. Okay, it moves with the trend line, so we take a trade from here. So where do we take our profit? If you look at the left, okay, if you look at the left, we have the first bottom and the second bottom. Okay, in the case of, okay, this is in the case of selling. Okay, if it's in the case of buying, we have the first top and the second top. Okay, now this happens to be the first previous bottom. Okay, so if we are taking this arrow number one, all right, what we want to do in terms of taking our profit is that we want to target some places like this. Okay, some places where we have the first break. Okay, the first break after a pullback. Okay, it form a bottom and pull back. Okay, so these are places we want to target. Okay, for this arrow number one. Okay, it's always a short one, but it's profitable because it's a move with the trend also. So when we take this arrow number one, we expect it to pull back, go back, test the trend line. Okay, so when it tests the trend line through arrow number two, which is the one reversing and going to the trend line, we don't take any trade here. It's a waiting time. Okay, we gotta wait. It's a waiting time. Okay, so we're gonna get arrow number three. So this arrow number three is always the longest and the most profitable. Okay, and this arrow number three is coming from the trend line. Okay, and it's gonna break the bottom one, and it's gonna break the previous bottom also. Okay, breaking two bottoms at a time. Okay, so this is what we are talking about. It breaks two bottoms at a time. This is the first bottom it broke. Okay, it broke it, and this is the second bottom it broke, the previous bottom. It has broken everything. Okay, so now after we take arrow number three as our most profitable one, all right, we're gonna expect that after it has broken and formed a new bottom, all right, it's gonna bring another arrow, which is number four. So this arrow number four is a pullback returning to the trend line, and this is a profitable pullback also. We trade arrow number four, okay, for being profitable, and when it hit the trend line, okay, when it hit the trend line, we get out of it, and then we go and wait and expect arrow number one, where we enter a position again. So this is how you take entries. Okay, so based on the trend line, and remember, whether it's uptrend or downtrend, arrow number two is not a profitable trade. All we trade is arrow number one, number three, and number four. Okay, after arrow number four, we expect arrow number one to come out. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.